In my university years, when I was 18 to 21, my daily routine was that messed up that I used to go to bed at 5 AM and wake up at 2 PM consistently. Almost every day I would waste my time away on PlayStation or watching Netflix. Then I would go to the gym at 1 AM so that I could tell myself I'd done something productive. Your schedule may not be as shocking as mine was, but I know for a fact that thousands of guys are falling into this trap right now. And this might even be you watching. This is especially common with students. The uni life and culture of everyone having prees, going out to clubs, gaming late at night and so on, it encourages this behaviour. And everyone seems to be staying up so late, so it gets ingrained into you too. That's how I used to be. But my goal with this video is to snap you out of this and this night shift depression cycle. From someone who lived like this for 3 years, you don't realise how much this damages you, and neither did I. It drained your happiness, your productivity, your motivation, and much more. As I just mentioned, I spent years of my life gaming my nights away and sleeping my mornings away. Every time I woke up at 1 or 2 PM in the afternoon, deep down I felt so disappointed that people were working hard and getting ahead of me in life before I was even conscious. For a very long time, even until the end of 2023, I kept suppressing my desire to change this. Having breakfast when everyone was having lunch, because I didn't give myself a specific purpose to change. It was only recently at 22 that I decided to put my foot down and that it was time for me to grow up, get up early, and actually start getting serious about working towards my future. I started getting up at 9:30 every day, and actually every day, no relapses. I set my alarms on an app called Alarmy, where it asks me 3 maths questions until I can snooze it. This was important for me because normal alarms just didn't work. Even if I set 5 alarms, I would just end up turning them off and going back to sleep. I started going to the gym in the morning, and the right side of morning this time. And I aim to get earlier and earlier with this routine as the weeks pass. I cannot tell you how much better this has made me feel mentally, even in the first few weeks of this. I can't even imagine going back to how I used to live, now that I realise how much productivity and time I was wasting away. For many guys, they may not snap out of this cycle until much later. So if any of you watching are stuck in this, even to a smaller degree, like getting up at 11 AM instead of 9, then this is your sign to sort this out before it wastes years of your life. This is essential if you're on self-improvement and want to create yourself a better life. Are you really going to let your competition get hours and hours of work done before you even wake up? Another detrimental habit I kept falling into over these years was always looking into the past. How great last year was, how great some childhood memories were, etc. This is an issue that I don't hear many people talking about. Watch this video to see how and why you should fix this too.